Okay, hello everybody. How you doing today? Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you very much for subscribing, sharing this video and liking it. If you want to get notifications of new contents, you can click on the notification button so you get first-hand updates of any videos I drop, trying to maybe deal with any challenges anyone is facing on Watermine or answer questions that you have. And today I'm just going to be quickly doing a video on step-by-step guide on how to make a deposit from your wallet into Watermine. I know that a lot of people have been asking that question, so I just wanted to do a very clear video. So very quickly, I'm just going to show you step by step. I'm going to initiate a deposit because of this reason and just to guide you through it. So please pay attention and come along with me on the journey. So now I've signed into my Watermine dashboard and I'm ready to initiate a deposit. So before you start, you need to have a Watermine account and you have a wallet, a crypto wallet. So be it LUNO, be it Coinbase, it might be Binance, but make sure you have one. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be using LUNO, and just to explain it. So right now I'm on my dashboard, and next is make a deposit, because that's what you're doing. Click, scroll up, it gives you options. So which contract are you going for out of the 4 contracts? So let's say I'm going for the first contract, the first starter pack, which is the 2% daily. You click on it, make sure you highlight it. If you're going for the second one, make sure you click and highlight. Make sure you click and highlight. So click and highlight, and then scroll. And let's say I'm depositing, let's say $50, and I'll prefer Ethereum because they've told me that Ethereum is going to explode very soon. Bitcoin is going to explode in May as well. Fingers crossed. Let's see what happens. So you click on Ethereum here. So you can only use this this section if you have money in your account already and you're trying to just initiate a deposit from your account. But this is where you have to initiate your deposit if you're actually depositing for the first time on Watermine. So you click on Ethereum and you click on spend. So don't be afraid to click on spend, because sometimes a lot of people ask me, oh, should I click on spend? It's saying spend instead of next. I've told you guys their English is not the best, but they're doing an amazing job. That's what matters. So it brings you straight to the deposit confirmation page. This is the deposit confirmation page. It gives you all the information about your investment plan and how much you're getting daily. Now, very importantly, it's asking you to pay this amount of Ethereum into this wallet. So this is technically your sort code and account number for Watermine. Now you need to take it into your Bitcoin wallet. So for the purpose of this video, I'll just show you now. So highlight it. So make sure you highlight just the blue address, copy, and you're done with Watermine. That's why it's always good and advisable for you to do it over your phone. If you want to do it on a laptop, you can do it as well, but it's just easier to copy and paste on the phone. So look, I'm here now. Next stage is go onto your LUNO or Coinbase or Binance, click on your wallet. I feel like I'm even talking too fast. Okay, so my LUNO is signed out already. So what I'm going to do now is I'll quickly sign in. Oh, it's going to ask me to put in my so it send me a 4-digit code. Security is on point. So I've got my security code. I'll type in my security code. Accepted. So yep, there you go. Click on wallet. Boom. This is your account. You're investing in Ethereum. Remember, you can invest in Bitcoins, but since we're investing in Ethereum, you click on Ethereum. You click on more. You click on send. Hope you guys can see clearly. So you click on send. So it's asking, who are you sending Ethereum to? Do not send Ethereum to an ETC address. So send to this address, paste. So this is the address we have copied from Watermine. Remember, you click next. Amount you're sending, so $50, but Watermine has already given me here how much it will be equivalent to in Ethereum. So you come back here to your LUNO. So to make it easy for you, you can just type it in. So paste. So it's showing you that available for the day is 43.6 Ethereum. So there you go. So this is how much you need. Now, a bit of advice: if you're making a deposit of maybe 1,000, don't put exactly 1,000 worth of Bitcoin here. Don't put exactly 100. Don't put exactly the amount. Make sure you add a little bit more, just in case, you know, you send it from LUNO and Ethereum drops before confirmation into Watermine, then you won't get up to 1,000, and that means you won't get up to 1,000, which means your C package will not be initiated. So please, very important. So if I were you, if I'm planning to invest like maybe $100, I'll make sure I type it as 120 or 130. Just put something extra. So what I usually do is, this is the amount it's giving me now, which I'm supposed to deposit. So I just edit it. So available for the day is for 3 Ethereum. So what I do is usually I just edit it and maybe just add a little bit more. It will give you the equivalent below, but it's not showing it here right now. But when you're doing it will give you the equivalent below, because it's saying my available for the day is 46 Ethereum balance. I don't have enough in my balance for Ethereum. So if you click on next, there you go. So it's showing you how much you're sending, which is like 35 pounds in GBP, and which is equivalent to about $50. And then this is the network fee. It's charging you £6.85 to send it. So it's going to add this amount you're sending with the network fee, and that's how much it will be deducting from your wallet. So as soon as you click confirm, all you need to do is just sit back, relax, and wait for Watermine to send you an email to confirm that they've received your deposit. LUNO will also send you a notification to tell you that the money has been sent. So after it has cleared confirmation. So I'm not going to initiate the deposit. So let me just go back anyway. So that's how to initiate a deposit from your LUNO wallet into Watermine. Very straightforward. For Coinbase as well, same process. Just go to your wallet. So let's say, for example, you're sending Bitcoins, not Ethereum. If you initiated a deposit from Watermine in Bitcoins, not in Ethereum, you come to your Bitcoin wallet, you click on send. So let's say this is the address, the Bitcoin address from Ethereum, from Watermine. So hold on a sec. So let's say this is Bitcoins, you copy. We're just assuming that this is Bitcoin. You copy, you paste. So you paste in here, you click on next. So the reason why it's saying enter a valid recipient is because LUNO detected that this is not a Bitcoin wallet. So it's not going to let you send it to this wallet. But if you generate a Bitcoin wallet from Watermine and you paste it here, you click on next, same protocol. And that's it. So guys, if you have any other question regarding how you can make a deposit or initiate a deposit from your wallet into Watermine, please drop a comment below and let me know. If you need more clarification, feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to do that. So thank you very much, and stay tuned for the next video where I'll be showing you exactly how to make a withdrawal from your Watermine into your LUNO. Thank you very much and God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. That's all I'm asking. I'm not asking you to give me anything. I'm not asking you to send me any funds. I'm not asking for tithe and offering. All I'm just asking for is your support. So support the brother, please. Just share the video, even if it's just one person. Thank you very much and God bless you all.